Do you ever wonder if there are ways to make money that are perfectly legal, but feel like they should be illegal? You know, those methods that might make you feel a bit uncomfortable, but aren't technically against the law. Today, we're diving into 5 such methods. These tactics exploit loopholes and gray areas, letting you earn cash while staying within legal boundaries. So if you're curious about these controversial but lawful ways to make money, keep watching. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be both amazed and possibly a bit shocked. Let's get started. Method 1. Selling photos of high-demand products. Ever heard of selling pictures of high-demand products? It's a devious yet legal method that plays on technicalities. Here's how it works. When a product like the PS5 or trendy spider hoodies are in high demand, go on eBay and search for these items. Take detailed screenshots of the product listings, capturing all angles and descriptions. Next, create your own eBay listing using these images and descriptions. Clearly state in the title and description that the buyer is purchasing a photo of the item, not the actual product. Use brackets in the title to emphasize photo or picture. Set a competitive price to attract attention and clicks. eBay's algorithm will push your listing to the front page due to the high engagement. When a buyer makes a purchase, print out the photos, package them nicely, and ship them. Legally, you've done nothing wrong because you disclosed that the purchase was for a photo. While it's technically legal, it's ethically questionable since buyers might overlook the fine print. This method hinges on the buyer's mistake of not reading the full description. Remember, honesty in your listings is key to staying on the right side of the law. This approach can make you quick cash, but it might leave a sour taste if your buyers feel deceived. So proceed with caution and always prioritize transparency. Method 2. Flipping free items from Facebook Marketplace. Imagine making money from items that cost you nothing. That's the essence of flipping free items from Facebook Marketplace. Here's how you can do it. Start by searching for free items in your local area on Facebook Marketplace. You'll be surprised at the valuable items people give away simply because they're moving, decluttering, or just want the stuff gone quickly. Reach out to these sellers with a simple message, asking if the item is still available. Be quick to respond and arrange a pickup. Popular items include furniture, electronics, and even bicycles. Once you've secured these items, it's time to flip them for a profit. Clean them up, take good photos, and list them back on Facebook Marketplace or other platforms like Craigslist. Price them reasonably to attract buyers quickly. For example, if you pick up a free desk, you could easily sell it for $50 to $100 depending on its condition. This method requires minimal effort and no investment, making it a risk-free way to earn extra cash. It's also a sustainable practice, giving unwanted items a new life. While it's completely legal and straightforward, ensure you're respectful and honest with both the original owners and your buyers. With a bit of time and effort, you can turn free items into a steady stream of income, leveraging the convenience and reach of online marketplaces. Method 3. Selling merchandise at protests. This method involves a bit more planning, but can be highly lucrative. Research upcoming protests in your area, such as environmental, LGBTQ+, or political rallies. Once you have the dates, head to AliExpress or Amazon and bulk order relevant merchandise like pins, flags, and t-shirts. Make sure the items arrive before the protest. When the day comes, set up a small stand at the protest. Dress appropriately to blend in and attract customers. For example, wear a rainbow shirt at an LGBTQ+ event, or carry signs and slogans that align with the protest's theme. Participants are often eager to buy items that represent their cause, and you can sell them at a markup. This method is perfectly legal, but it might feel unethical because you're profiting from a cause-driven event. However, it's a straightforward way to make money while supporting the protesters' enthusiasm. If you're finding these methods intriguing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more unconventional and money-making tips. And don't forget to share this video with friends who might find these methods interesting too. Now, let's get back to our list. Method 4. Being a middleman on job listings. This method involves a bit of networking and acting as a middleman. Go on Facebook Marketplace or local job boards and look for people posting looking for ads, such as looking for a flyer distributor or looking for a handyman. Simultaneously, Join job-seeking groups in your area with a large number of members. Find someone in the group who is looking for a job that matches the requirements of the ad you found. Connect them to the job, but tell them you expect a finder's fee, like $50, for the connection. Ensure you have proof of the job offer to show them before they pay you. It's legal because you're providing a service by connecting job seekers with employers. It feels wrong because you're profiting off people who might be desperate for work. However, it's a way to make money from the comfort of your home with just a bit of online networking. Method 5. Snapchat catfishing for financial gain. Lastly, we have the Snapchat catfishing method. This method capitalizes on online deception for financial gain, which raises ethical concerns despite its legality. You might wonder, how can this be legal? Well, catfishing itself isn't illegal unless it crosses certain legal boundaries like fraud or identity theft. Here's how it works. Individuals create fake personas, often using attractive photos found online, to lure unsuspecting individuals into relationships or friendships. Once trust is established, the catfisher manipulates their targets into sending money under false pretenses, such as needing financial help or promising relationships. This method exploits vulnerability and trust, often targeting lonely or emotionally vulnerable individuals seeking companionship online. It's a lucrative strategy for those willing to exploit others' goodwill and loneliness. Despite its legal standing, it's morally dubious and can have profound emotional and financial consequences for victims. To execute this method, catfishers typically use platforms like Snapchat, Tinder, or other dating apps where personal interactions are frequent. They create compelling narratives and maintain the facade until the victim is persuaded to send money. This method thrives on emotional manipulation and preys on human emotions for financial gain, making it a controversial, yet unfortunately effective way to make money legally. So there you have it, 5 legal ways to make money that feel like they should be illegal. From selling photos of high-demand products to catfishing on Snapchat, these methods exploit legal loopholes in human behavior to generate income. While they might not align with everyone's moral compass, they're proof that legality and ethics don't always go hand in hand. If you found these methods eye-opening, make sure to leave a comment below and let us know which one shocked you the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.